Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to build connection on LinkedIn. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up LinkedIn app. Make sure you have already downloaded LinkedIn app on your device. Now here on bottom you can see option like home, network, plus, notification and jobs. Click on network. Now scroll down and you will see many options, like you can see many people. So tap on connect button with whom you want to build connection. So it will send invitation to this person, and if she accept your invitation, then you will be connected with that person. So this is how you can build connection on LinkedIn. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.